Okay, I want to show you that I have the DirecTV Now streaming app running semi-successfully on the Nvidia Shield TV 2017, which is running Android 7.0. So the version that I have running somewhat successfully is the December 3rd, 2016 version 1.0.0.2106, the second one up on the list that you're looking right now, which is on the APK mirror site in the ES file manager. I tried the November 30th version you see here, and I could not even get the app to open. That was after trying the newest version, which is currently, as of the date of this filming, which is February the 2nd, 2017. I tried this newest version, the January 18th, 2017 version, also could not even get it to open. So I started going at the beginning. Tried the first version, it would not open. This version, December 3rd, does work partially. And the only thing that's partial about it is it's pretty buggy, as you'll see. I'll try to keep this short, but I will show it to you. And not all channels seem to work, although some of them will not load a stream initially, but if I keep going back to it, at least some of them will. I just haven't put enough time into it to know if they will all do that if I keep being consistent. And after I finish this video, I'm going to go and upload or download and install this next version from December the 6th and see if that fixes any of the problems or just gets me back to the app not opening at all. Okay, so I will double tap this 0 button on my Nvidia Shield control. I don't know what else to call that. It's just a little O. And that will let me switch back to DirecTV. And as you can see, this is the Nicktoons channel. I have it muted, but the sound does work. I'll unmute it for just a second so you can see that. Okay, so it does work, and I will show you that this is a live stream. So using my mouse, that's the other thing. I cannot run this at all using my Nvidia Shield controller, so I'm using my mouse. It's just a standard Microsoft mouse. So if I left click, you can see the mouse pointer there. If I left click on the mouse, it brings up, you can see up here in the upper left hand corner that it is DirecTV, and shows you what's playing, what time, where it's at in the stream. I can pause the stream, as you can see right there. Apparently I can turn on closed captioning. I can also mute from here. And in fact, this was concerning because when I first started it, I unmuted my sound system and then my TV, and I still didn't have sound, so I thought that was a problem. But when I found this, I noticed the X was on, so when I unX that, then I got the sound. Right now my TV's muted, so you won't hear anything. Okay, so the guide is up here in the upper hand corner. So if we select that, and this is also buggy. Sometimes I'll get a listing, sometimes it'll be blank, so I'll have to close it and go back in. So this channel's running. Let's try the Oprah Winfrey Network. And as you can see, I get nothing there. I can't press refresh there. Oh, wait. Act like it was going to load, but it didn't. A lot of these I haven't tried. Just haven't had time to go through all of them. I'll go back to some that I know were working when I first loaded this up. And you can see I lose the guide. As I scroll very quickly through it like that, I lose the listings. So it is buggy. So let me go out of that. I'll go back to the guide. Try to go up a little bit slower and see if that maintains the listings. There, they seem to disappear. So let me just try and click up there and see if I can get them to come back. Okay, that didn't do it. What if I go to my favorites? Does that do it? Nope. Don't want that. Oh wait, yeah, actually I think this is a current stream and it was running a minute ago. Yeah, so there's AXC TV. It's a Kenny Chesney concert in 3D, so the picture is going to be a little strange, I assume, because they filmed it in 3D, but again, you can see that's working. This is DirecTV Now. So this is true of some channels. Other channels, we just get Nothing. I'll turn on the guide here and try to go to one. Try to remember one that didn't work. ESPN would not work. CMT originally didn't work, but that's one where I went back to it and then it did come back on. So you can see I've lost the guide. So this is part of the bugginess I was talking about. So anyway, some channels work, some channels don't. Now there's one. See, I got the issue there, and you click retry. Sometimes it'll say refresh. I don't understand the difference. But anyway, so it's in and out. So anyway, so there's the DirecTV app. I have not tried to exit this yet. Can I do that from here? Apparently not. Let's just try and close the app and come back in and see if that helps. So I will go over here, force close it. Let's go back to the home screen. I started this right from ES File Explorer, so maybe that's what I'll have to do again. Let me see if I can open it from the sideload launch app. So there it is loading, and there the Kenny Chesney concert comes up again. So that's working. Here, I'll show you very briefly. Oh, no sound, which means that that little issue. Oh, this is the other thing that happens a lot of times. You can see part of the what's on now at the bottom of the screen. If you click up here and click on this little box in the lower right hand corner, then it will fill the screen. And you can see when it starts, it automatically starts muted. So you have to unclick that in order to get sound. I apologize for the rocky video. I'm sitting in a rocking chair right now. Okay, so that's working. Let's just try the guide one more time, see if it works. And if I switch to, let's say, Star Trek: The Next Generation here on BBC America, that looks like it's going to load. It does. And again, I have to click this box, and then it fills the screen. I click again, and all the guides go away. So that's what it's doing right now. I'm going to go back. I'm going to stop this. I'm going to go back and try to load the next newer version and see what happens with that. I hope this is helpful to some of you. Thanks.